Welcome to the Rainbow Garden Adventure. This is a place where colors come to life and every corner of the garden is filled with magic and wonder. Join 5 friends as they explore the magical colors of their world. These friends are not just any ordinary animals, they are special because each one represents a unique color of the rainbow. Meet our friends, Ruby the red rabbit, Benny the bluebird, Yara the yellow butterfly, and Greta the green frog. Each of them has a special talent and a favorite color that makes them unique. And let's not forget Oliver the orange fox. Oliver is known for his cleverness and his love for all things orange. Each one loves their special color. Ruby loves everything red, Benny adores blue, Yara is enchanted by yellow, Greta is passionate about green, and Oliver is obsessed with orange. One sunny morning, they decided to find the hidden colors of the rainbow. The garden was bathed in the golden light of the sunrise, and the air was filled with the scent of blooming flowers. Excitement filled the air as they set off together. They were eager to discover the hidden treasures of the garden and learn more about the colors they loved so much. Their first stop was the big red apple tree. The tree was laden with juicy red apples that glistened in the sunlight. Ruby collected the juiciest apples for their picnic. She hopped from branch to branch, picking the ripest apples and placing them in her basket. Next, they flew to the blue pond, a serene spot where the water was as blue as the sky. Benny splashed and found beautiful blue stones. He loved the way the stones sparkled in the water. In the sunflower field, Yara danced happily and picked bright yellow flowers. The field was a sea of yellow, and Yara felt like she was in a dream. Yara danced happily and picked bright yellow flowers. She fluttered from flower to flower, her wings shimmering in the sunlight. They then reached a green meadow, a lush green expanse that seemed to stretch on forever. Greta hopped joyfully from lily pad to lily pad. She loved the feel of the cool green grass under her feet and the sound of the birds singing in the trees. Finally, Oliver found a basket of orange carrots. He was thrilled. Carrots were his favorite snack, and he couldn't wait to share them with his friends. They were ready for their picnic. They spread out a colorful blanket under a shady tree and laid out all the delicious treats they had collected. Under a shady tree, they shared their colorful snacks and laughed together. They talked about their favorite colors and the adventures they had that day. As the sun set, a rainbow appeared in the sky, representing their friendship. The colors of the rainbow were a reminder of the special bond they shared. The friends learned that each color represented their vibrant friendship. They realized that just like the colors of the rainbow, they were all different, but together they made something beautiful. Together, they continued to explore their magical garden. They knew that there were many more adventures to be had and many more colors to discover. Thank you for joining us on this colorful adventure. We hope you enjoyed exploring the Rainbow Garden with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun stories. We can't wait to take you on another adventure soon.